Divisional Forest Officer of Jiribal Forest Division in coordination with Jiribal Police seized 5 vehicles transporting 66 cubic meters of stone chips and stone boulders without valid documents during a random patrol at Lengang Pokpi around 7 p.m. on Tuesday. The vehicles bearing registration numbers AS11BC9522, AS09BC0521, MN06T3235, MZ06A2015, and MP09DU4286 were found carrying the forest produce without permit or transit pass issued by competent authority in violation of the Indian Forest Act 1927, Indian Forest Manipur Amendment 2018, Manipur Forest Rules 2021, and High Court Order dated July 9, 2019. Preliminary offence report has been filed and the 5 drivers were produced before the Judicial Magistrate First Class Jiribal on Wednesday. DFO Ilangbam Nirmala Chanu said the seized vehicles and materials will be processed by an authorized officer of Jiribal Forest Division as per relevant laws.